Hey folks, Joe here. Right now at Eastwood.com, our Christmas in July sale is in full swing, and that means great deals across the board on all categories. I'm here to offer my top 3 suggestions for you to save big this summer. Let's talk about it. Out the gate, the top product that stands out to me is our PCS-1000 powder coating system. This is a truly professional unit that'll deliver constant and repeatable results. It sports an easy on-the-fly adjustment from 10 to 100 kVs, 10,000 to 100,000 volts, with a high voltage power supply designed for multiple coats and quick coverage on large objects. Analog gauges eliminate typical digital display failures, and the KV Output Potentiometer virtually eliminates components which are prone to electrical failure. This essentially is a turnkey system, and it's perfect for the serious hobbyist or even small business. Plus, it's backed by our 3-year warranty with our 90-day risk-free trial. You really cannot go wrong with this unit. Next up is a tool I consider a must-have in the garage. Our PDR Paintless Dent Removal Kit is a smart choice that'll simply save you money on costly dent repairs. Best of all, it removes dents without damage to the paint and will enhance the look and value of your vehicle. Again, a nifty kit to keep around the shop and will really come in handy if you're in a pinch. Lastly is our Eastwood Elite 8-inch heavy-duty bead roller. Now this is a great pick because it packs a lot of performance in a small package. It sports an 8-inch deep throat which can handle panels up to 16 inches wide. Out the box, it includes a 3/8-inch bead die set and offset die set that'll get you up and running, tackling floor pans and other panels in no time. The unit has an industry standard 22mm shaft that will allow you to swap out and use many die sets that you may already have. Really, if you're in the metal fab, this is a great unit that stows easily, mounts to a bench vise, and will treat you well. Well, there you go. 3 great options to take advantage of some great savings. Remember to check out the entire list of products available and choose what's right for you.